Open YouTube for 5 seconds. It's all the same pitch. eBay is dead. TikTok shop will make you rich. AI build stores while you sleep. Everyone is yelling. Everyone is promising shortcuts. What they're really selling is the same idea every cycle. Push a button, money shows up. Meanwhile, people are burning cash on ads just to rent attention for a few seconds. While all of that is happening, one of the oldest platforms in e-commerce is quietly getting better. eBay. Yeah, the same site that your uncle uses to buy old car parts. Here's the part nobody wants to say out loud. Going into 2026, eBay might be one of the best places for a beginner to start. Not because it's flashy, because everyone else is distracted. In this video, I'll break down why eBay beats Shopify for most beginners, show you the math, and then cover the one mistake that gets new sellers suspended fast. The part most gurus conveniently avoid. I will also show you how serious sellers avoid it. Let's get to it. Desert versus mall. Let's keep that simple. A Shopify store is a store in the desert. You can make it look great. Clean team, nice logo, good copy. None of that matters if nobody is walking by. Every visitor costs money. Ads, influencers, testing creatives. You start every month in the red. Now compare that to eBay. eBay is a mall, a huge one. Over 130 million active buyers across almost every country. These aren't people killing time. They type the product name into the search bar with their cart ready. You're not begging for traffic. You're placing a product where buyers already are. There's also trust. A brand new Shopify site has to earn it from zero. eBay did that work over 25 years. Even a new account benefits from that. The model most people start with on eBay is retail dropshipping. Here's how it actually works. You find a product at a major retailer, Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, selling for $40. You list the same item on eBay for $60 using the same photos and details. You don't buy anything upfront. When someone orders from you on eBay, you purchase it from the retailer and ship it directly to the customer. The difference is your margin. No inventory, no warehouse, no guessing demand months ahead of time. On paper it looks easy, and that's where most videos stop. That's also where most beginners get wrecked. The real risk, the problem isn't sales. The problem isn't the product, it's fulfillment. When you fulfill an order from Amazon, they don't always use UPS or FedEx. Usually they use Amazon Logistics. That's when you get a tracking number starting with T, B, A. But on eBay, that number is useless. And this is exactly how it wrecks your account. First, zero visibility. eBay cannot read Amazon Logistics tracking. There are no scans, no delivery confirmation, no movements. From eBay's perspective, it looks like the order was never shipped. Second, no validation. Raw TBA numbers are not accepted as a valid tracking on eBay. As a result, your valid tracking rate drops quickly and top-rated seller status becomes unattainable if you keep uploading them. Number 3. Buyer panic. Buyers don't see tracking updates and no estimated delivery, so they assume something is wrong and open items not received cases. Even if the package eventually arrives, the account damage is already done. That's the chain reaction most beginners never see coming. Results: funds get held, item not received cases pile up, seller metrics go down. Then the email shows up, MC11 restriction, listings down, account suspended, money frozen. This is why so many beginners fail fast. Not because dropshipping doesn't work, but because they are manually fulfilling orders without any protection. And now, how serious sellers handle it. People doing this at scale don't guess and hope. They use automation. Trackerbot connects to your Amazon account and your eBay store. When Amazon ships the order with TBA tracking number, Trackerbot catches it and converts it so eBay can recognize it. The tracking shows movement, it updates, it delivers cleanly. To eBay, you look compliant. To buyers, tracking works. To you, the biggest problem is handled automatically. No copy pasting, no checking orders at midnight, no gambling with your account. This is what keeps the model viable now. Is eBay dead? No. The lazy way of doing eBay is that if you want to use the platform's traffic, you also need to protect yourself. Automation isn't optional anymore, it's the cost of staying in the game. There's a 14 days free trial of Trackerbot link below if you want to see how it works with your own store. And if you want to talk with people who are actually running this model and not just posting screenshots of it, there's a Telegram group linked as well. Ignore the noise. Build something that survives past the first month. Thanks for watching, my fellow dropshippers. Subscribe to the channel, I'm Ilya, and I'll see you at the top!